Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an updated room tour. You guys have been wanting to see this for the longest time, pretty much ever since I put this wall up, which I will be talking about in this video. You guys have been asking me about that wall so much, so I'm finally gonna be telling you guys where I got it, how I did it. And I feel like not only my room, but my style has changed a lot since the last room tour I did. I feel like I was a completely different person when I did my old one. That was literally my third video on my channel, so it was also still kind of just like awkward. I wasn't really warmed up to the camera yet. You could kind of tell I was uncomfortable, and my room wasn't like 100% how I wanted it. Well, maybe it was at the time, but now looking back on that video, like I don't really like my room that much, but now I'm in love with my room and I wanted to show you guys. So let's get started. All right, so starting at the door, there's like a little hallway to my room. You guys have probably seen the piano before if you watched my really old videos. And the first thing you see when you walk in is this wall. I just have a little thumbtack on it to put my keys on, and then I have this calendar, and then you walk in a little bit more and here is what you see. So I'm gonna start over here on the dresser. So the first thing you see on my dresser is this little tray. This was actually a wooden sign from the dollar section at Target. That reminds me, there are a lot of changes that I've made to my room, but one thing that stayed the same is probably gonna be how much stuff I got from Target, especially the dollar section. Forgot to say it, but this was also from the Target dollar section. That's gonna be a huge trend that you'll see throughout this video. I'm just warning you right now. This plant is also from Target. And then I have some sunglasses on there. Actually, these are not sunglasses. I don't really know why I bought these. I've literally never worn them. I just have these little clips from Brandy Melville. These are from Princess Polly. Brandy. I have no idea where these little hoops are from. And then these are from Happiness Boutique. They have a little moon on one, and then on the other hoop there's a little star. And then I have this mug that I got from Amanda. Speaking of Amanda, that's her in that Polaroid. And I just have a bunch of bracelets in there. I don't know where this dresser is from. I feel like I'm gonna get questions about it. I think maybe Pottery Barn. But if you guys didn't know, this was my sister's room before it was mine. So once she went away to college, I moved in this room, and I kept some of the same furniture, including the bed and this dresser. And then I have a Hannah Malo sticker on my mirror because when I ordered her merch, that came on the package, so I took it off and put it on my mirror for some reason, and it's still there. And then over here, I just have this wooden M from Target, this candle, I believe this was a birthday gift, and then this plant that is also from Target. Big surprise. Next up here, I have my necklaces. I just took some thumbtacks and put all my necklaces on them. Then over here, I have this letterboard. It says like and subscribe. I got it from Target. I just thought it would be kind of funny to put that on there because, you know, I have a YouTube channel if you didn't know. Also, you guys should like and subscribe. Then down here, I'm not too proud of this area because in these two bins, it is so messy. I'm not gonna go through those. It's just literally a ton of just junk. And then right here, I have this little like weird, like almost like planter pencil cup holder. I don't know. I don't really know what this is. It's from the Target dollar section. I have these markers in it for my whiteboard, which is also from Target. And then I just have a few lip products in here. If you guys are looking for a good chapstick, this is the best one, Aquaphor. And then we still have a home phone, so I have one in my room. I don't really know why. And then I have this little like tree stump thing, I don't know. And I just have some like lotion and perfume on there from Bath and Body Works. I just realized I forgot to show what's in my dresser, and I don't know if you guys would want to see that or not. I personally don't care what's in people's drawers when I watch room tours, but I know a lot of people do, so I guess I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna open these two because they're like filled up to the top, like it's hard to open even, but these are just both filled with pajamas. This is filled with sweatshirts. This is also hard to open. I have a ton of sweatshirts in here. I want to mention this one. Here, let me take this out. This was sent to me by a girl on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram on the screen and probably down below, but it was really nice of her to send me this, and I think it's so cute. And I think they do custom things too. And I saw a bunch of girls with like denim jackets that had like the back of them decorated, and they had like stars and like these lips on it, except this was like cheetah print or something. It was the cutest thing ever. So if you guys are interested, I will have their stuff on the screen. This is not sponsored, by the way. They just sent me this. In this one, I have a bunch of bathing suits. This thing, I literally, oh my god, I can't even open it. Okay, I'm not gonna bother. There's bathing suits in there. Why are these all like filled to the top? I can barely open any of them. Anyway, these are shorts and these are workout clothes. Moving on to this little area of my room. For the most part, this part is the same. First, I just have this little bin from Target with 2 pillows in it that are also from Target and a blanket in it that's also from Target. I kind of have a problem, if you couldn't already tell. If you didn't think I had a problem by now, then you will in like 5 seconds. So this little little box that I stood on its side is from Target. These two plants on it are from Target. I have this little bin on it that is from Target. It has all my camera stuff in it. I just have some books down here and then this little plant that's holding them up. And guess where that's from? Target. Who would have thought? Guess where this is from? Target. Guess where this is from? Not Target. I got you guys there. This is actually from, I think, 5 and Below is the name of the store. They just have a bunch of stuff that's like under $5, and my mom was shopping there and she saw that, and it matches a lot of stuff in my room, so she just decided to get it for me, which was really nice. So I have that, and then I have this chair from Target and this blanket also from Target. It's getting annoying at this point. I really apologize, guys. All right, over here, this isn't too organized. This is just the other side of my bed. I have this thing which I use for editing. I got this from Target. If you have a YouTube channel and you don't own one of these things, I definitely recommend it. It was probably like 20 bucks at Target. I don't know if it's just me, but I always get so uncomfortable sitting on my bed and editing. So this is super helpful. Or if you just always sit on your bed, like on your laptop doing homework or something, this is really useful. So I just keep this over here for when I need to edit. Then right here, I have this little stuffed animal from Francesca's. Usually that goes right here, but I usually only put it there like in the winter time because it's kind of like a winter-ish stuffed animal. Then right here, I have this set of drawers from Target. And in here, I just have everything that was in my old desk. This desk is a little bit smaller, but I actually prefer it over the one that had like more room because now I don't have as much of a mess in my desk. So I'll show you guys what's in here really quickly. The first one is filled with scrunchies. Oh my God, I just realized all the comments in this video are gonna be about me being basic. I'm used to it at this point, so it's fine. This next one is all of like my technology stuff. I don't really use any of this stuff actually. And then these next two are filled with just complete junk. Moving on to my bed. I love my bed. It's a day bed. It was already in here when I moved into my sister's room, so I'm not sure where it's from, but I just have this white comforter from Target, and then all the pillows on it are also from Target. And there's an outlet right behind here, so I always just keep a charger plugged in. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, just like leave chargers plugged in. Probably not. And now the part you guys have probably all been waiting for is my wall. So my wall is from this company called By Teza. I think it's just Teza. I'm not really sure. I think they have a few different collage kits available, so I will link this one down below if it's not sold out. I was inspired to do this by Avery Ovard and Haley Pham. I watch both of their channels and I love their channels so much. The collage kit, I believe, was $89. It's pretty pricey, but you get like 100 something, well over 100 pictures, and they're all really nice quality. They're like matte. They're not just like pictures that you would just like print out. They're like nicer, and I actually love all of the pictures that it came with. I feel like if I like made my own, I would use a lot of similar pictures to what's already up here. I don't know, I just really like how this collage kit looks on my wall. And then if you guys are wondering how I put it up, I took these things. I got these at Target. They're just clear Scotch mounting strips. As you can see in the picture it has on the package, they're hanging up like a little makeup thing. So these are pretty strong. So what I did was I cut literally the tiniest possible like squares out of this, and then I put one on each corner of the pictures and then put it on my wall, and I still have a bunch left over, and I haven't really had to deal with any of them falling down. Moving on to this thing, whatever this is. I don't use it that much. I just have some tissues in it. I think it's meant for like dorm rooms for people who don't have like as much storage, and I don't really need it that much. The only thing I don't like about my bed is that it's like a day bed, so I can't have like a nightstand because like that would just be like in the middle of my room. So this kind of like acts as my nightstand. I can just like put things in here. Moving on to my closet, nothing too special. I'll show you guys the inside. I have like more cropped shirts up there, and then longer shirts down here, and then shoes, and then jeans right here. And then if you move it to the other side, there's more jeans, jackets, dresses, backpacks, a pillow, shoes, school stuff. Actually, okay, I need to take this out. This was my math notebook from last year. It was for pre-calculus, and my best friend is taking that this year, so I'm gonna give her my notebook so she has all my notes. And then I just have some shoes down here, more shoes right here. I have this backpack. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I'm gonna get attacked again, and I don't really want that to happen. So, and then I just have my tripod. That's pretty much everything in my closet. Right here is my backpack. I just have it right there for now because school hasn't started yet, and honestly I just love the color and I just think it's cute right there anyway. If you guys want to know what's in here, I did a video on it, like a back to school supplies haul basically, so if you want, you guys should go check that video out after you watch this one. Next, I have my new desk. I love this desk so much. I kept the same chair that I had bad. This chair is from Hobby Lobby, and then the desk itself is from Target. I'm just so in love with this desk. It has these 2 drawers. On the left, I just keep school stuff. I don't have much in there right now just because school hasn't started yet. So I have a bunch of pencils, scissors, tape, hair ties, and then I have my check register for my debit card. And then in this one, it's like my technology stuff. So I use this drawer a lot when I'm editing. This is my other memory card, AirPods, mouse for my computer. So that's what's in my drawers. And then I keep my laptop right here because I like to edit here if I'm not editing on my bed with this little thing. I just realized I should have done my nails before I did this video because I didn't realize I was gonna be like pointing to everything, and my nails look so bad right now. So I apologize for my crusty, gross nails. And then I have this lamp. I think this might be my favorite thing in my entire room besides my wall. Oh, you know what? Speaking of my wall, I forgot to mention I do have these lights. You can barely even see them because they're fairy lights and they kind of blend in with the wall. But when it's nighttime, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'll have to insert a clip of what they look like at night with this lamp on too. When it's nighttime and I just have this lamp on and those lights on without any other lights on in the room, it is like the most vibey thing ever, and it is so peaceful. I just love my room at night when I have all the lights off except for these. So I definitely recommend getting one of these. It is my favorite thing ever. I got it from Urban Outfitters. Just look how beautiful that is. Like, oh my gosh. There's also different settings to it, so I can make it brighter or I can make it really low. At night, I like to turn it all the way up. I just think it looks so pretty. And then right here in my desk, I love this. This is so convenient. You open it up and it has like some outlets. It has 2 outlets and then 2 like USB ports. So I just have a charger in here. So that is so convenient. And then I just have this lamp from Target and this mirror from Target. So I think that is about everything in my room. If there's something that I didn't say that you guys want me to talk about, just comment down below. But I hope I answered all your questions. If you stayed up until this point, comment where you are from because I'm really curious about that. And I think that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.